Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Bill,
I'm Laurie.
and in this video you're going to see us use store-bought pizza dough in the Ooni Koda 16 oven and see if it actually works. We've never done this before. We're up in Montana and we didn't take dough out that we made ourselves, so we're going to try this and let's see how it goes.
So this is my first time using this kind of product, so I'm going to see how this works. And I've got my pizza pan already coated with some semolina, but maybe I'll put on a little bit more. And it says that you must pre-cook the dough for 8 minutes when you're cooking it in the oven at 400. So in this case, we are going to cook it for about 5 minutes, and we have our pizza oven at about 6.
Oh, it's a square dough.
A square dough. So.
Okay, and this is Pillsbury Pizza Crust.
Yes, let's see if this
160
works.
calories.
Yeah, but we don't know what size.
Well, let's see if this works. You want the other peel?
Well, I was thinking maybe it would be better if we put it on the uni thing and just cook it.
That's too big for that, and we got all the asparagus on there, so.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
Do you want the bigger peel?
Let's see, we need to. Okay.
Laurie was suggesting putting it on the dual-sided grizzler plate, but we used that earlier to make some roasted asparagus. If you're interested in how to do that and the results, you should check out our video, which we'll have up in a few days.
Okay, so what I did is I'm curling up the edges so it'll fit on the peel.
Okay. We're improvising.
We want to... Okay, so we're going to pre-cook our dough for 5 minutes.
Let me get him going.
We want to make sure that it doesn't stick on the peel. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll roll it this way. This might work out better. It's kind of an odd shape, but I guess it'll work, and it's not sticking.
So Laurie's inside getting the dough set up. It's got to be pre-cooked. Again, we're using store-bought dough. See if this works. Who knows?
Here
goes nothing. Oh, look at that.
Okay, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes.
Okay. And now it's a little bit of guesswork on when I should start to rotate. We had the pizza stone a little bit cooler. We've been cooking a little cooler, so it was in the 650 to 700 range. We have a video called Ooni Koda 16 Heat Management Tips. So we actually know how to turn the flame down even lower now than the low setting on the Ooni. Kind of guesswork on how soon rotate it. I think it's cooking kind of quick, so should we use that pan there?
have. I don't know why you didn't want to use the Ooni thing. You could just put. Is that cooked? Okay.
Turn it down more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Here. Hold on. All right, I had lowered the temperature and the center of stone was about 600 degrees. So, you know, one of the philosophies of our channel is, you know, we're on the learning curve. So we had no idea if this is going to work or not, still don't know. But we will give a after action report after we take the pizza out. We'll do a short segment on what we felt the results were. You know, maybe there's some people who don't know how to make dough, but they would like to have a pizza oven. So maybe this is a pathway to get them making some pizzas, and then while they're learning how to make dough. Hey Laurie, I need some guidance here.
So maybe we should wait till the cheese and everything melts. The pepperoni's cooked. We have to rotate it.
I have been rotating. Maybe we need a little more heat in there, or we'll
Yeah, maybe. Well, I don't, yeah, probably.
bring it up a little bit.
Because we want the top to cook too.
Yeah. Okay, we just brought the heat up a little bit. What's that?
Bring it up to the right. Where's it getting to? Oh, you know, some people lift their pizza up to the top. I've seen people lift it up like that. Oh, burning. I guess that wasn't a good idea.
We have a thing about starting fires in our Ooni Koda 16.
Should I turn it down a little bit?
If you haven't seen our first ribeye steak video,
Should I turn it down?
yeah, sure. I mean, it's
Push it in?
we have.
I don't know.
Oh, turn it down. Yeah. That's about as low as it goes.
Okay.
We could turn it off.
Yeah, yeah, you could even do that.
Should I turn it off? Yeah, what you're seeing is cooking where we have no clue. We've never done this before.
Okay, Liz. 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes.
Can we take it out?
I don't know if it's cooked. This is a cheese look melted. You can always take it out and put it back in.
Cheese looks melted to me.
I love the pepperoni.
Oh, we got too much jar.
Oh,
So that's our result. We're gonna go and we're gonna slice it, and maybe the dough is raw. Maybe this wasn't a good idea, but we thought we'd try it. Can you see the top in there?
I know. Look, raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. And over. Okay. A little bit lower. Just a little. Okay. Good.
Okay, I think that's it. Okay, well, we'll do a recap and add a summary, but thank you for checking out this video and stay tuned for the recap. As always, if you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks. Okay, Laurie's gonna cut the pizza, and let's see if it's raw.
It's got a crunch. It's got a nice little char to it.
We happen to like the char.
If you want dinner, you're gonna have to like the char.
We have charred a lot of pizzas.
That's not too
I don't
bad.
know.
It's thoroughly cooked
Could
on
be.
the crust.
Is it cooked?
Yeah, it's not raw.
Okay. All right, well,
Well, we're ready to eat.
we're gonna eat it, and thanks
you
again
a
for checking out
recap.
our channel. And if you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. Always welcome subscribers. And until next time, from Glacier RV Park in Montana, cooking with our Ooni Koda 16 using store-bought dough. Till next time.